Be honest, how many times have you said, I won't eat late tonight?
Then suddenly, it's past 10 p.m. Now brother man, they negotiate with hunger.
Chairman couldn't stand, though. They don't cast.
Yeah, boy.
Fast forward, stomach upset, heartburns, now sleeping time problem. Now you wake up the next morning feeling bloated and This is why having Noni at home matters. Shelby non-alcoholic wine eliminates heartburns, boosts digestion and immunity, and gives you relief. 100% natural, no chemicals. Prevention is always better than cure. Eat early, sleep better. Keep Noni at home.
Your body will thank you. Join the Noni family. Let's go organic.